So dear students, as we know that animation involves a series of still images usually painted or sketched, displayed in a rapid sequence. This transition from one image to another is so quick that it appears to show movement. So here we'll learn how can we work with frame by frame animation. As we know that animation means it involves a series of still images that are painted and that are moving with the help of a different frames. So we'll learn how we can create a frame. First we can change the size of a stage from here. You can observe here, like whatever size you want according to your requirement you can change, and you can adjust it according to your requirement. Next thing is that you can see at the right panel there is a different tools are there, so we can draw a shape. Like any shape you can draw with the help of pencil tool, and you can observe here there is a timeline where it is showing as a frame. If you want to insert keyframe, so what you have to do, click on this frame and then you can draw your frame. So for creating a frame by frame animation, what you need to draw a number of frames and the object in different frames. So here you can right click again and you can in the same way, like if you want to select any other frame, so you can click directly in the timeline. You can see the red line that is indicating the playhead. So one by one we can insert frames and then we can create our object in a particular timeline. If it's indicating a blank keyframe, that means there is no dark circle will be there. So in this way you can see when you are drawing any object, so it will show as black dark circle on your screen, that is showing as a keyframe and which object is already there in particular keyframe. Like sometime if you want to refine your keyframe, so there is also the option, that means you can insert and you can change your shape also, that also I will discuss. Now you can see one by one in different frames we can insert a multiple frames and we can create our objects on screen. So one by one when you will create object, maybe you can do some modification in particular object. So when we will run frame by frame, it